In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. By the end, you'll know how to use Google to find the official Notion site, sign in confidently, open Notion AI, and load the GTD dashboard example so you can explore a powerful productivity setup. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Notion. On the results page, look for the official Notion website, which is notion.com. It should display as the main result, and you'll often see a small lock icon in the address bar once you click through, confirming it's secure. If you see ads or lookalikes, ignore them and go straight to the official link. This quick check helps you avoid landing on the wrong page and keeps your account safe. Once you're on the Notion homepage, click Login. If you're already signed in, Notion may take you straight to your workspace without any prompts. If you manage multiple workspaces, you'll typically be able to switch after you land. Choose the workspace where you want to work with Notion AI and the GTD example. If you're prompted to authenticate with a provider, follow the on-screen flow and wait a moment for Notion to load your home view. With your workspace open, locate and click Notion AI. This brings up Notion's built-in assistant, which can help you brainstorm, summarize long notes, draft content, and quickly reformat text. You can think of it as a writing and thinking partner woven directly into your pages. If the AI panel opens, you can glance at the available prompts to get a sense of what's possible. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to load and look for the AI option in the toolbar or within the page actions. Next, click GTD Dashboard. Example. GTD stands for Getting Things Done, a popular method for organizing tasks, projects, and reference material. The example dashboard gives you a ready-made structure to see how GTD feels inside Notion. Once it opens, take a moment to scan the sections. You'll typically find places for capturing quick thoughts, listing next actions, organizing projects, and reviewing what's on your plate. This is a great way to learn by example. Notice how databases are linked, how views are filtered, and how statuses move an item from idea to completion. If you plan to adapt it, consider duplicating it into your workspace and renaming parts to fit your workflow, such as teams, time horizons, or review cycles. That's all you need to get from Google to Notion, launch Notion AI, and open the GTD dashboard example. Follow along at your own pace, and you'll be set up to explore, learn, and make Notion work for you.